Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to have a search bar instead of a search icon in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Apps. In the search bar at the top, type Rapid Search and press Enter, and click Install. Once the app is installed, you will be taken to its setup wizard. Locate the customizable search bar option and check the box to enable it. Click the Next button at the bottom. On the next page, find the Add a Search Bar to your storefront section and click the button below it. You will be redirected to the editor. You will see that the app is enabled and the search bar is added. Modify it according to your store theme. Once satisfied, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to have a search bar instead of a search icon in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.